Hey there, thanks for tuning in. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's super important, especially as we age. Eye health. Our vision often takes a hit over the years, but don't worry, there are some natural ways to keep those peepers in tip-top shape. Let's talk about the essential nutrients for aging eyes and some lifestyle tips to protect your vision. First up, lutein and zeaxanthin. Now these fancy-sounding antioxidants are like a shield for your eyes. They hang out in the retina and protect your eyes from harmful blue light. You know, the kind that comes from all those screens we're glued to? Studies show that getting enough lutein and zeaxanthin can reduce the risk of chronic eye diseases. So load up on leafy greens like spinach and kale, or consider a supplement if you're not getting enough from your diet. Alright, moving on to vitamin A. This one's a real powerhouse for night vision. Vitamin A helps your eyes adjust from bright to low light conditions. Ever noticed how hard it is to see when you go from a sunny day into a dim room? That's where vitamin A steps in. It's found in foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and liver, so munch on those to keep your night vision sharp. Now let's chat about some lifestyle tips for eye health. First things first, grab a pair of UV protective sunglasses. They're not just a fashion statement. They protect your eyes from the sun's harmful rays. And if you're spending a lot of time on screens, remember the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. It helps reduce eye strain and keeps your eyes feeling fresh. Another tip, stay hydrated. Dry eyes can be a real pain, and drinking plenty of water can help keep them moist. Also make sure you're getting regular eye exams. Even if you think your vision is fine, a checkup can catch issues before they become major problems. So there you have it, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and vitamin A in your diet, along with some simple lifestyle changes, can make a big difference in maintaining your eye health as you age. Remember, your eyes are your windows to the world, so it's worth taking care of them. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on healthy aging. Stay healthy and keep those eyes bright. See you next time.